Hey, what's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm back out at Sacramento Valley Shooting Center shooting a USPSA match with the Sons of Action Pistol for the month of April. Don't forget, also, I have that giveaway going partnered with Precision Holsters, where I'm giving away a competition holster and mag pouch setup. That's going for about the next 6 or 7 weeks. I'll be announcing it at the end of May in my Rocky Mountain Regional Colorado State video, which will come out probably the end of May, maybe first week of June. But make sure you guys are checking the rules for that. 1 comment is 1 entry, 1 real comment. Some of you guys tried to post 1 through 100. You know who you are. But let's check it out and see how this match goes. All right, you guys, shot my first stage here, and it was okay. I forgot a target. I did end up putting the magazine back in and engaging the target, so it was better than missing, and the 2 mics and the PE or the penalty that would have come along with it. But it slowed me down, obviously, so let's check it out. And I think it was all alphas, so need to go faster.
Are you ready? Stand by.
All right, you guys, shot my second stage, and once again I forgot a target and I made it up, but it cost me a couple of seconds, and other than that I had pretty good hits except on the swinger. But let's check it out.
Are you ready? Stand by.
All right, you guys, shot my third stage, finally cleaned up my hack. Had a really good stage. Let's check it out.
Are you ready? Stand by.
All right, you guys, just shot my fourth stage, and it has a very fast, what I call a clamshell, which is a target that dips open and closes. And I actually got 2 alpha on it. I did have a trigger prep that went off at least at a target before I wanted it to, but I had to do too many makeup shots. The end of this stage, you had to do the last 3 targets, support hand only. So let's check it out.
Are you ready? Stand by.
All right, you guys, shot my 5th stage. It went really good. I had a little bit of a different stage plan than most people, at least on my squad. I'm not sure about the other squads, but it seemed to be really good. And I think I only had 1 delta, maybe? I don't remember exactly, but let's check it out.
Are you ready? Stand by.
All right, you guys, shot my 6th stage, and final stage was classifier. It was 2 strings. It went okay. I had, I think, a delta and a couple too many Charlies. But it is what it is. It'd be again. Let's check it out.
Are you ready? Stand by. Stand by.